Welcome to Take a Leopard channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Taskbar not working on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. Now, at first, what you can do is just open up your Task Manager. Just go to search and search for Task Manager. In the best match, you'll find Task Manager. You can just open it. And if you cannot do that because your Task Manager is not working, what you can do is just click on Control, Shift, and Escape. This will open Task Manager as well. Then you can expand this. Then you need to find Windows Explorer here. Just right click on it and click on Restart. This is gonna restart the entire Windows Explorer for you. And after that, your taskbar should be fixed. But even after that, if your taskbar is not fixed, what you can do is just go here, right click on Windows Explorer, and then just click on End Task. This will close down the Explorer for you. Then just go to File, click on Run New Task, and in here just type explorer.exe. This will open up a new Explorer for you. Click on OK. Just give it some time, and there you go. And after that, your taskbar should work. And even after that, if your taskbar doesn't work, what you have to do is just go to search and search for CMD, which is command prompt. Just open this up as administrator. And after that, in here, you need to type a command, which is sfc/scan now. Again, it is sfc/scan now, and there's a space in between. Just type this and hit enter. It will scan your whole system and fix every issue that is in your system for you. And then just go ahead and restart your PC and your problem should be fixed. And basically that is how to fix taskbar not working on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.